In this video, we're going to take a look at the cloud setting options in OpenBOM for Solid Edge. So I've opened the settings dialog, and there's a button here that says cloud settings. And when I enable that, I get a choice about some cloud storage. First, I want to explain what this means. Cloud settings in this context is the location of where OpenBOM is going to send files related to your design based on what your choices are. In my case here, I'm going to choose Google Drive and authorize that, and I'll get an authorization screen. I'll need to grant permissions to that account. And then I have two choices down here in Solid Edge. I can send CAD files, which are all the Solid Edge files, the .par and the assembly files, as well as maybe some PDFs. And OpenBOM will make PDFs, either 2D or 3D PDFs, for you, and also send those up to the cloud storage. And then finally, what we will do is we're going to link those back into your bill of material and put a property and a link in the BOM so that the people downstream that are using that BOM can just follow the link. So enough talking about it. Let me demonstrate it. So I've opened the settings. I've clicked cloud storage. I've enabled, in my case, my Google Drive, and I've authorized. And I've said, hey, send CAD and PDF files. Okay. Those are the basic settings for that. And then I'm going to create a bill of material. So enabling the cloud storage, what that does is it kind of kicks off a background process that snaps an image and creates the PDFs for each one of the parts in the design, and then sends them in the background, sends them up to the cloud, and then finally creates that link and puts it in our BOM. So I kind of give you more details there because you can see there's a little bit more going on in the background. So I'm going to let it run in real time. It takes about a minute or so, and then we'll see the link to our bill of material appear. So I like this feature if I'm building a BOM that maybe somebody down on my manufacturing team is going to use, and maybe they want to see a large image of the PDF, and more importantly, maybe they need the CAD file to program some, maybe program some machine tools. So also the other thing you need to consider is that whoever it is that's consuming the BOM downstream will need to also have permissions on whatever cloud storage you've sent it to. So so in this case, we can see that I've opened up the bill of material. And we've added a couple of new columns here. Let me size this for you. We've added a couple of new columns that are the CAD file in Google Drive and PDF file in Google Drive. And these will be slowly filling in because there's a background cloud process going on where we're sending these things up to the cloud. So it takes just a moment. I just clicked refresh, and you can see these files are kind of starting to fill in. So again, I'm going to go ahead and wait, and so you can get a sense for what this is in real time, and I'll reload the BOM one more time. Okay, so we can see that the part files have already been set, and the assembly files have been sent up to my Google Drive. And if I click one of these, I'll open my Google Drive location, and you'll see that my Google Drive doesn't know how to deal with that with a Solid Edge part file, but I get the opportunity to download it. And this is great because my manufacturing guys can maybe download this and do their programming on it and whatnot. So, but back in our bill of material, and with one more refresh, we'll see those PDF files will be coming in. And here they come. So now we're generating the PDFs, and we're putting those up also in the cloud drive. Now my cloud drive will be able to render this for me. So here's some nice way to distribute renderings of my parts and assemblies in my BOM as well. So I hope you find that useful. That is the cloud setting options here within the OpenBOM settings right here. If you have any questions on this, we always like to hear from you at support@openbom.com. So thanks, everybody.